Welcome to How for Tech channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Today we are going to take a look how to remove background from image free automatically, step by step. 2 easy steps to remove the background of any image. First, install this application. Head to your app store and search for Remove BG. This app is available for Android, iPhone, Mac, Windows, and Linux. So, you can easily for any above devices. Step 1. Upload your image. After installing the application, you simply open it. Then, click on Upload Image. The application will prompt you for permissions to access to your media. Allow it, so you will be able to upload the image that you want to remove the background. The application will take to your Pictures folder. You select one that you like. Click on the image that you want to remove background. It will bring you back inside the application. Step 2. Download your image. Once back in the app, you simply sit back and the magic happens. The app will automatically remove the background from your picture. When it has done, you download your image without a background. You will be able to share, save, or do what you want to do with it. The quality of the image is good enough for me, but if you need better quality than that, you can jump to their subscription program that you see the prices on the screen now. Let's watch how we remove this second image. First, upload image. The app will automatically remove the background of the image. Lastly, download your image. We hope that this video helps you. Thanks for watching it. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below.